So I'm in Team A, and I'm going to, our team discussed it, and we drew up a diagram, and now I'm going to buy the material. So I'm going to have my budget person keep a tally of the things that I get. This is going to cost me, this one aluminum piece, 20 cents. I think I'm going to need 2 cardboard pieces. That's going to be 25 cents each. These are actually kind of expensive. I'm going to try wax paper, which is 30 cents. That's super expensive. And then I'll buy a couple of toothpicks. No, I actually don't think I need toothpicks, so I'm not going to buy those even though they're cheap. So I'm going to start with this for now. I could buy more later. It's totally fun. And as the students are building their first prototype or their first model, again, always circulate and ask guiding questions. Ask them why they chose wax paper or why they chose aluminum foil. Why did they choose cardboard? And always have them give an explanation for the choices that they made. So if you ask me why I chose aluminum foil, well, it's easy to fold, which I like. And I think it's water resistant, so that'd be good. And actually, wax paper is water resistant too, but plastic is a little bit more water resistant. So I think I'm going to return this. I'm going to return the wax paper, get my return on that, my money reimbursed, and then use plastic instead. So I want it to definitely stay waterproof, and I know that this is waterproof. No water is going to get in there. But I want the foil because it's malleable, meaning it will kind of bend into the shape that I want. And then I want the cardboard because it's rigid, or fairly rigid, and I want it to, this is just the cut up box, so just cut up like cereal boxes. I want it to, cut it into the shape of the actual graham cracker, and that way it's going to stay more stable. So in our diagram, we built it so that the graham cracker was like this. So the cardboard went in the center of the foil, and the s'more went right on top, and then here's another protective cardboard piece right there. Then I'm going to fold the foil up. Probably don't have enough. Woo! So I'm just trying to cover my corners because it's not waterproof at this point. And, encourage your kids just to try out different designs. If they have to go over budget, they have to go over budget. That's fine. You just have to tell them that the cookie company won't be happy, and they may not choose their design, but maybe if they have the best design, the one that works the best, even though they went over budget, the cookie company will choose them anyway. Okay, so here's my last piece. And then you're going to have a testing station set up on all 3 days where they can test to see if their package actually works. So here's your spray bottle. So here's the water test. So I'm just going to squirt 1, 2, 3. It was caught in a rainstorm, this package, when you went camping. So let's see if it stayed dry. That's the water test. And then you're also going to have the crush test. So you're going to get a book. Actually, when we were looking at this lesson plan, we said that you would drop it from a height, but I think that would be really hard. So, I don't know, maybe you could drop it from an inch. But if you did drop it from an inch, everyone would have to drop it from an inch because everyone would have to put it through the same test. So, let's see. Like that. Okay. So, we're going to open it up. We're going to unpackage this and see if our design worked. And definitely do not show them the video at all because we do not want them to just make this. Yeah, you know what? It's all in one piece. Maybe that test was too easy. So let's close this up. And maybe you should do it where you are actually dropping the book from a few inches. So let's try 3-inch drop like that. Ah! Okay. So, is it dry? It's dry. And it's a full s'more and it didn't break. That is the end. And at the end, the groups get to present their design.